Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm excited about today's video. I have a couple products from the MAC Cosmetics Black Panther collection. They have some, I believe they have like a white eyeliner, an eye pencil, and eyeshadow palette, and then some lip colors. So I just got one of the lip colors and an eyeshadow palette, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is the outside of the palette, outside packaging of it. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is the actual palette, and it has it's purple, and it has like the silver claws on it, and you can actually like feel like these claws that's on there. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the inside of the palette. It's a mirror as well. There's 8 colors, 4 shimmers, 4 mattes. The plastic part has the names on it. So this color right here, this gold color, as well as this bronze color right here, this color right here, and this color are all metallic colors, and the rest of them are mattes. So yeah, I can't wait to come out and try it. I was excited about trying this, so it's gonna be, I want to create just a good look with this palette. Then I got one of the lipsticks. This is the outside of the packaging. It looks similar to the outside of the packaging of the eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like, the front of it, and it is like a brown, warm type of shade. This is called Royal Integrity. So yeah, we're just gonna use that palette I showed you. I'm gonna use this today and see what I come up with as far as my makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna come out and prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in Medium Beige, and then I'm gonna set it with AB8 Setting Powder in Deep Peach. Okay, for my crease color, I'm going to take this shade right here, like this orangey type shade, and use that. Okay, I'm gonna use that e.l.f. Camo Concealer again at Medium Beige. I'm just going to use this to cut my crease. Okay, y'all, so now that I got that cut crease done, I'm going with this shade right here. Oh, and this other shade that I used in my crease was called Protector of Wakanda. And then I'm getting ready to use this color right here, which is a gold shade. Next, I'm going to take this color, Heart Shaped Herb, and put that on my lids. And then next to it, I'm going to put Claw Marks. That's the name of this shade. Okay, y'all, now that I got those colors down, I'm gonna go back and blend those colors into each other, and I'm also gonna put that purple and that blue underneath my eyes. Okay, y'all, now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place I Define pen liner to line my eyes. Okay, for my glue, I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue. And then I'm going to use my Ioni Volume Cluster Dial Lashes. I use my Sephora eye pencil just to make sure there was no gap showing where I put my lashes, and also use my mascara, my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And now I'm gonna move on to my face. For my primer, I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. Next, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector to correct the dark spots on my face. Okay, next for my foundation, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and this is the first time I'm using this. I showed this in my beauty haul that I had, which was in the last video, so I'll link that video in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and use this and see how it looks, how it works out. Okay, y'all, that's a little light, so what I'm going to do is mix it with the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation in the shade 440. Next, for some more coverage, I'm going with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer and Deep Cinnamon. I'll put this all the places where I put the orange corrector. Now to highlight, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier Concealer and 3.5N. Okay, I'm going to let that concealer sit and give more coverage. And while that's sitting, I'm using my Beauty Bay Bronzer in Chestnut. dark. And I'm just going to use this first shade right here. Okay, to come on, set that concealer, I'm going with my Urban Decay translucent all-nighter setting powder. Okay, for my all over face powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Matte Soft Powder Foundation in shade 440. Okay, for blush and highlight, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place of Hair and Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to come on and go in with these two shades right here. And then I'm going to use this shade right here for highlight. Okay, y'all, for my lip liner, I'm using Juvia's Place lip liner in Kohl. And I'm going to use the MAC Black Panther lipstick. This is in Royal Integrity. Okay, for my setting spray, I'm using Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, y'all, this is the completed makeup look. I hope that you all liked it. I really enjoyed creating this look. I love this palette. I love the vibrancy of the colors of this Black Panther palette, and I definitely would suggest coming out and getting it. It's definitely something that's worth buying, as well as a lipstick. This nice brown shade, and it definitely complements if you have a skin tone that's near mine, or of course just melanin period. Definitely complements, will complement your skin tone. So like I said, I definitely recommend getting this. Definitely love how everything came out. Thank you for joining me and supporting my channel, y'all. I'm also trying to get up to 2,000 subscribers this year, since we're in 2023. So please, y'all, I need y'all to subscribe, comment, like, share, all that good stuff. I want to hear from you all. So I really appreciate you all watching, and I will see you on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.